All right, so we're picking up where we left off with this problem. So my question is, if these are not right triangles, then what kind of triangles would I have? Well, you'll be glad to know that we can classify them. So the examples that we've pretty much been working with are right here in the middle. We've been working, let me get this to set better. We've been working with right triangles, and that's the example here in the middle. But if c squared, and remember c is just the biggest number, the longest side, if c squared is less than a squared plus b squared, then triangle ABC is an acute triangle. Remember that symbol is less than. And then over here on the end, if we've got a greater than, what do you think? What kind of triangle do you think we'll have? Acute, right, and obtuse. Good job. And that should make sense. If c squared is smaller, it's going to be an acute triangle. If c squared is larger, it's going to be obtuse. So we're going to do a couple of examples. The video is really short today. So we just need to determine what kind of triangles these two triangles are. Again, I've got this radical going on, all right? I don't know what that number is. So let's figure it out. That number is 11 something. So that's not bigger than 20. So this would be hypotenuse, this would be a leg, and this would be a leg. So now, hypotenuse would be 20 squared. And I'm going to put a question mark because I don't know what symbol to put there. I don't know if they're going to be equal. I don't know if it's going to be a less than. I don't know if it's going to be a greater than. So I'm going to put a question mark until I know for sure. I ran out of room a little bit right there. So 20 squared is 400. And now let's type in this other stuff that I got going on. $225. So what symbol do I put there? Greater than. And greater than symbol means this is an obtuse triangle. That's all there is to it today, ladies and gentlemen. All right, my next example, I do not have a sketch, and I have two radicals going on. I got no clue which one's bigger. I would suspect that the radical 155 is bigger, but let's see what happens. Oh, yeah, okay. So radical 122 is 11 point something, and radical 155 is 12 point something. So this is going to be the hypotenuse, and these are going to be the legs. So now, I don't know what symbol I'm going to be using, so I'm using a question mark. All right, this is pretty easy because those cancel. I've got 155. So now over here, 6 squared plus parenthesis radical 122. Oh, parenthesis in the wrong place. Parenthesis squared. 158. So 155 is smaller than 158, so that means it's less than, and this is an acute triangle. That's our notes for today, and now go do your assignment.